action. Woo, look at this. Nuts on the axle. Both ball joints are in. The sliders are coming in. Pads are in. The calipers are in. This is nice, man.
It's getting there, huh?
It is getting there. Look at that.
Cool, yeah.
Oh, you got the shock all done?
Yeah, shock's all bolted in.
Nice.
Upper control arm's bolted in. I do have to tighten up the ball joints still. And the lower.
This goes right here.
Yeah, you're in my way.
I know. I was just demonstrating where the brake line goes. Sorry, dear.
You better be sorry.
Sorry, dear.
Okay.
There we go.
Now I'm just going to find a 3/8.
Just put 3/8 Allen, tighten that baby down. And that side is pretty much there.
I like it.
Got to do the sway bar, which we'll do last because we got to do the steering. Which the next step, probably in the morning, is going to be pull that oil filter adapter.
Yeah.
Get that
Definitely.
idler arm. Got to pull the steering box out.
You got to pull the steering box out, huh?
Yep. To get the pitman out, then change the pitman, put all that back together. Then we can start on fluids, and then we got to roll it off the lift once it's a roller and the steering's sort of on it.
Well, the steering won't be on it.
Well,
I'll
this
say sort of. I mean, it'll probably need to be adjusted.
it won't be aligned, but it'll be rollable. And then we got to get it back to do the booster and the master.
Yep.
But we got to get this side together first.